In this video, I'm going to talk about your customers' challenges and why you need to stop asking them about their challenges. Curious? Hello, my friends. My name is Mace Haroff. I want to welcome you to another episode on the Medical Sales Channel. Medical reps love to go to their healthcare customers and discuss challenges. Every trainer, every sales manager says you need to understand their challenges and talk about their challenges. Heck, even I talk about that. In fact, I talk about it all the time. Here's the difference though. This is what most medical reps do when they get in front of a customer. They'll ask a very probing question like this. They'll say, tell me, doctor, what are the biggest challenges in your practice? And they think that the doctor or other healthcare professional is just going to go, well, I got this challenge, and I got this challenge, and I got this challenge, and I got this challenge. Number one, what's the problem with that question to start with? It's an accusatory question. It's saying, you know what, doctor? You've got freaking challenges in your practice. You're not doing everything right. So tell me about them so I can help you fix them. Do you think that that is a relationship building approach to medical sales? No, it's not. Yet many medical reps use this on a regular basis. It's insane. So if you do that, you got to stop. Stop asking your customers about their challenges in a general sense. Now, even more importantly, right now, since the crisis has begun, your customers and accounts are less likely to meet with you, and they certainly aren't going to warm to you if you ask questions such as, what are your challenges? Here's the difference between great medical reps who are killing it today with all of the opportunities that have arisen and just average medical reps who right now are struggling. Some of them are even dying from a business perspective. The great medical reps, they know their customers' challenges before they ever begin the conversation. They understand their challenges and they understand their patient's challenges. Now, how do they know these challenges? How do they understand them? They do the work. They do the research. And they ask better questions. You see, when you get in front of a customer, you don't ask, what are your challenges? You ask very specific questions about a particular procedure or something that they do to operate their practice. Whatever it is, as it ties in to your product or service. You want to be very, very specific. You don't use the C word. Just don't use the C word. It's impolite. Ask questions that they can relate to, and you will understand what their challenges are. Now, you don't have to wait until you get in front of one of your customers to ask these questions. Their staff know a lot about the practice and about a healthcare professional's preferences or how they view certain challenges or issues. You can find out from them. If the HCP works in a hospital, there's usually a lot of surrounding staff, both support staff and colleagues, who can share information with you that will help you to understand their challenges. If you serve or cater to a particular specialty or group of specialties, read about those specialties. How have these specialties been impacted since the crisis or the current situation began, whatever it is? You see, you have to become a student of your customers' world so that you understand their challenges every day and you don't have to ask them about them. You see, if you're a professional, and you're a medical sales professional, your healthcare professional customers expect you to already know and understand their challenges. And if you ask them very basic questions, then they will know that you haven't taken the time to learn about them and what they do. That doesn't make you look good. It's not that difficult. We live in the information age. Do the work and you will never, ever have to challenge your customers on challenges again. You'll know. And one of the challenges that many medical reps have had since this pandemic began is accessing their accounts, because a lot of times the doors are closed, and being able to continue their sales efforts. Well, many reps are doing this successfully using something called virtual medical sales calls. I am presenting a 1-hour webinar training which will help you learn the differences between selling live and selling on video so you can get time with your customers to have relevant conversations and continue the flow of sales in your territory. To get more information about this valuable training that so many reps have told me have already made a huge difference for them by just making small changes, you can get this information and register by going to medicalsalestraining.com/webinar. Again, medicalsalestraining.com/webinar. I hope you will join me. It will be time well spent. And I also hope to see you on the next episode on the Medical Sales Channel. Until then, I'm Mace Haroff. Don't forget that whatever you do in your medical sales career, the patient always comes first. See you later. Bye for now.